Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona, so Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, AstroSage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Talking about Taurus horoscope 2021, talking about your family life, Rahu occupies your Lagna, so there will be problems off and on in your family life, and there will be problems due to your own attitude. You will be finding it difficult to adjust to the ways of your family, and that will result in frustration and then quarrel. Coming to your love life, initially there will be confusions and miscommunications. So if you are having a fight, then give time to the partner, as after few weeks things will be better and later good. So no need to worry. So there does not seems to be an issue in your love life as far as love matters are concerned. Only thing is patience is required. Married life, this could be the year for divorce for many of you. Not only Ketu is afflicting the 7th house, it will be transiting in the star of Mercury and then in the star of Saturn. These are not good. You need to be more caring and adjusting this year. Problems in the health are there. Headaches, blurred vision, diseases of genitals in males and irregular periods in females will be there. You will be having some or other problem going off and on this year. As far as job is concerned, people running the period of Jupiter will be seeing a growth from March onwards. There will be overall goodness to them in career. People with Rahu and Ketu Dasha will see a downfall, particularly with Ketu Dasha and Antra. Business people will be business people other than Rahu and Ketu Dasha Antra will be seeing a normal growth in the business, and with Jupiter their growth will be exponential. You will be spreading to new areas or countries. With expansion, your profits will also increase. As far as finance is concerned, this year will be good for finances of people with Saturn, Jupiter, Sun, Mars Antras. You will be able to save money this year. Try to put your money in the government bonds rather than private ones. Property and vehicles, avoid investing in these for this year at least. Coming to your accidents, you are definitely prone to have accidents this year. Be very careful in the months of January, February, November and December. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।